the Assistant Minister for Agriculture and Waterways, the Honourable Tomasi Tunabuna, the Reverend Tony Alpha, esteemed members of the Drainage Board, the Permanent Secretary for Agriculture and Waterways, Dr. Andrew Tukana. Andrew almost mispronounced my name, but we were mates in university, very close mates, and he was a gold medalist in our year. But I always told him, you'll be the gold medalist, but I'll become the minister. Heads of divisions and senior staff of the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways, and media personnel. Misambulu Vinaka, and a good morning to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, agriculture has been and always will be the backbone of our economy, now and into the generations. The sugarcane and non-sugarcane farming communities have been the driving force behind this. However, over the past 3 decades, our farming landscapes have undergone drastic changes and is being impacted by extreme weather events and changing climatic conditions. These challenges have underscored the importance of a robust and well-maintained drainage system, which is essential for ensuring the productivity and sustainability of our agriculture sector. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with a profound sense of duty and anticipation that I stand before you today on this momentous occasion of the re-establishment of the Drainage Board. The abolishment of the Drainage Board 7 years ago by the previous regime was a move that caused concerns amongst our farming communities, as well as negatively impacting drainage, leading to flooding in many of our farming areas in Fiji. The coalition government made a promise to the people of Fiji, which was rooted in the understanding that effective stormwater and drainage management are not optional luxuries, but crucial elements in guaranteeing prosperity and resilience of the agriculture sector. The re-establishment of the Drainage Board is a testament to the coalition government's commitment to upholding the well-being of our farmers, preservation of our agricultural land, water management, and environmental stewardship in Fiji. As we gather here today to witness the re-establishment of the Drainage Board, we do so and acknowledge the legal endorsement of the Drainage Act of 2023 and the Principal Drainage Act of 1961 in entrusting this statutory body with critical responsibilities to ensure the proper maintenance and upkeep of existing drainage schemes and outfall structures. To you, the distinguished members of the Drainage Board, your induction today marks the beginning of a new chapter in Fiji's agricultural history. You will be custodians of our land's water management system, tasked with ensuring and overseeing the functionality of our main drains, outfall structures, floodgates, flap gates, and earthen seawall bunds to mitigate the impacts of flooding and waterlogging. The roles of the Drainage Board and its dedicated staff is paramount, as your work will directly influence the lives of our farmers, the health of our ecosystems, and the robustness of our economy. Your commitment, expertise, and unwavering dedication will be instrumental in shaping the future of our drainage infrastructure, ensuring that it remains resilient and adaptive to the ever-changing environmental challenges. In today's era, where sustainability and resilience must be the foundation of all agricultural practices, your role extends beyond maintenance. It is incumbent for you to look for innovations, seek out and implement solutions that are environmentally sustainable while being economically viable. This is crucial, as the climatic and environmental challenges we face today demand a multifaceted approach, integrating traditional knowledge with modern technology to safeguard our future. Ladies and gentlemen, as government, we recognize the significance of this endeavor and pledge our unwavering support to the Drainage Board. We will work to provide the resources and legislative framework to empower you in fulfilling your duties effectively and efficiently. Our vision is for a Fiji that can understand the trials of extreme weather, one where our farming communities will thrive, not just survive. Together, we will forge a path towards a sustainable and prosperous agricultural sector, one that is capable of withstanding the test of time and the unexpected impacts from climate change. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I urge all stakeholders, including farmers, landowners, and other relevant authorities, to extend our full cooperation and support to the new Drainage Board. The establishment of the Drainage Board is not merely a symbolic gesture. It is a tangible manifestation of our commitment to building and safeguarding a sustainable and resilient future for our agriculture sector and the livelihood of our farming communities. Once again, I wish to extend my heartfelt gratitude and congratulations to the newly inducted members of the Drainage Board. Vinagavagalevu Dhanyavad, and thank you very much.